Yeah, my name's Gaurav. I work for Comdain Infrastructure. Been working there for about 6 years now as lead system support. Pretty much I head up the infrastructure and support side of the business, assisting in our help desk and all the way through to network security, implementation of many projects with my infrastructure manager, who is also the IT manager of the business. So prior to installing ServiceDesk Plus, which is what we use right now, over 750 endpoints, we were using a free version of a remote software, which was extremely painful to our staff, to my technicians as well. From the time of trying to establish a connection with the end user to resolving the issue was a very tedious process. Whereas now with ServiceDesk Plus, the ability to remote onto a user's machine and resolve their problem is definitely way more effective and more reliable. Probably I'd say the first thing for me, I'm very driven on the support that I get from the vendor. So the customer service was exceptional for me. The ability for them to have a very engaged conversation with myself and my manager and go over and above to cater to our needs pretty much was the signing point to say, okay, let's proceed with the product. So over the past years, we've experienced a number of the ManageEngine products, ServiceDesk Plus being the major product that we use on a daily basis. We're trialing at the moment Patch Manager Plus and AD Audit Plus, pretty much to bring our endpoints up to scratch with any missed patches. And for auditing purposes as well, we're about to implement the AD Audit feature, which also gives us an insight into where certain services are being used or who has access to certain servers or services. And it's been pretty good. So we've been a customer for over 15 years, and I can just see the company just growing further with the new products and development that you guys are putting into all of your suite. Yeah, so obviously ServiceDesk Plus helps us with your standard ticketing, issues raised, service requests and incidents raised by the end user. And then Desktop Central gives us the ability to then remote into that end user's machine. Also, it allows us to do our patch management. We were able to successfully deploy a screensaver across our entire business last year, and that was done with ease. Like, we had no complications whatsoever. That was one thing. And like I said, now we're exploring a new product with the auditing. So hopefully that gives us a bit more insight into what our end users are doing as well. So overall, we're very pleased with what we have currently in place. So the entire suite of products that we've got in place at the moment definitely makes my job much more easier, more efficient, and it does the same for my technicians as well. In terms of price point, I definitely reckon that they are a very, I'd say, affordable suite of products, because they can cater to your needs again based on what you purchase and the quantity that you're looking to purchase. So they will try and do whatever they need to bring you on board on their journey. Very reliable, customer focused. You'll go over and above to cater to the needs of the client. Nothing is unachievable by you guys, where you guys create a lot of custom built solutions for the end user if it needs to be done that way. So yeah, you're willing to go that extra mile to cater to whatever the client is after.